tubing ka ba? With mother. Wow. So this is my first time. First time. Tubing.
Saan yung ticket mo?
Cellphone.
Yeah.
We can just leave it here.
Oo.
Tara, start na tayo game kasi 2 hours lang to, di ba?
Yeah, to.
Ano tayo oras sa alis? 9:57 na.
Ay, pag natapos mo yun.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Na.
Yung 2 oras niya.
Yeah.
Tara.
Pwede kayong
Walang babaan dyan.
bumaba doon, pwede kayong bumaba doon.
Pero doon sa harap yung...
Tapos ayun. Yan ay bumaba.
Yan, di ba ang ano, entry?
Oo.
Yeah, we can just
Oh,
leave
sige.
it there.
Pwede rin kayo dyan. Gusto nyo.
Thank you.
Tingnan niyo. Wow.
Kuhanan na.
It's so snowy.
Yeah.
Mami, dito. Where? Saan tayo kukuha ng tube?
Kuha ka ng tube doon, no?
There?
Anong gusto mong kulay?
Get ano? Pink. Pick up tube? Here? Tube? Huh? This is kid zone.
Yeah, for you guys, for the adult ones, they're just right down the hill there.
Oh.
They're in a big barn full of
Alright then. Okay, so we're gonna get a tube.